In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a mailing list in Moosend. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what file types work best, how to map your data correctly, and how to confirm everything imported as expected. Once you're logged in, head to the Audience section and open Email Lists. This is where all your contact lists live. Click the name of the list you want to add contacts to. If you don't have one yet, create a new email list first and give it a clear, descriptive name so your team knows what it's for. Inside the list, look for the option to import your contacts. Depending on your interface, it may say Import Members or Import Subscribers. Click that to open the import flow. Next, select the type of file or source you're using. Common options include CSV or TXT files, as well as Excel files. CSV is a safe choice because it's widely supported and keeps formatting simple. If you're starting from Excel, you can save your sheet as a CSV before uploading. Now, upload your file. Click Browse, locate the file on your computer, and confirm the upload. Before you proceed, make sure your file is formatted cleanly. Each row should represent one contact with an email column and any additional columns for details like first name, last name, or other attributes you plan to use. Include a header row so Moosend can recognize your column names. Avoid merged cells, remove extra spaces, and keep email addresses valid and consistent. If you're handling non-English characters, saving the CSV in UTF-8 helps prevent odd symbols. You'll likely see a consent checkbox, something along the lines of confirming you have permission to email these contacts. Only import people who have opted in. This is important for deliverability and compliance, and it helps protect your sender reputation. Next comes field mapping. Match your file's columns to Moosend's fields. Map email to the email field and align name or other details to the appropriate fields. If a column doesn't have a matching field or you don't need it, choose to ignore it. Double-check that the email column is mapped correctly, since that's the key identifier. When everything looks right, click Import to start the process. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it finishes, open the report or choose View List to confirm the results. Spot-check a few contacts, look for any import errors flagged by the report, and make sure counts match your expectations. That's it. You've uploaded your mailing list in Moosend, mapped your fields correctly, and verified the import so you're ready to send with confidence.